So really trying to get the students to focus. Seems to be an issue with getting easily distracted and not being able to focus in on what we're studying in class. And so I did some research this weekend and found some very interesting things. Studies have shown that certain background noise, certain kinds of music will help students focus. One of those things being nature sounds, like a babbling brook or a thunderstorm or some crickets. Anyway, so I thought I'd put that to the test and try it out. And I think, okay, we might be able to have those background sounds, but, from an audio recorder. But just like music, it's much better live. So let's see how it works.
Ribbit? What? Yo, he became a furry.
Woo, woo, woo.
I'm just trying to help you guys focus.
Ribbit.
That's where I go and respect.
Ribbit. Ribbit.
Just helping you focus.
I was failing until I heard that ribbit, and I was just.
The owl noise has got me the best score yet.